How to deposit money into Webull account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually deposit money to your Webull account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to deposit money into your Webull account, first of all make sure to download the Webull app and then log in as well. Then just go ahead and then open it up. Now, Webull may not be available in some countries. It only works in the US. It doesn't work in the UK properly. It also doesn't work in Asia. If it works in the US, then you will most likely find a deposit button right between this, because you have four options by default, right? But if the Webull account is verified and if the Webull is actually available in your country, you will find the deposit button within the app. If you don't find it, you can just go to the menu section, try to look for it in the more section, but if you don't find it, it simply means that it doesn't work. And if it does work, then you'll find the option to deposit and then link your bank account in that way and then immediately add funds respectively. And this is it on how you can deposit money into Webull account. But keep in mind that this option may not be available for all the applications out there. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.